Roamwild Multi-Pullsaw has a completely new and unique design. The blade design incorporates two cutting edges, a 12-inch 14 TPI Carpentry cutting edge and a unique 6.5-inch long angled 22 TPI fine cutting edge, giving the saw huge versatility and capability. This saw outperforms conventional hand saws and at the same time combines many new features to overcome the usual problems experienced when sawing. The saw gives an incredibly clean cut using far less effort with more control. It's also fast, making it an ideal saw for both men and women. The ultra-thin saw blade is pulse hardened and incorporates teeth that have 3 diamond ground cutting edges with almost no set. This, combined with its fine narrow kerf, gives extremely high cutting efficiency, the cleanest cut and best performance. It can cut to an amazing 0.6mm accuracy. This pull saw is so versatile that it can cut chipboard and laminate such as conteboard or kitchen worktops with ease and no chipping. Pine usually tears and splinters when cutting with conventional saws, but with this pull saw, this simply does not happen. The cut is clean and smooth and no finishing is required. For the best cut, you need to angle the saw at no more than 10 degrees to the surface you are cutting. The line of cut is straight and the cut of the surface is as smooth as if it had been sanded. The Roamwild Multi-Pullsaw can also be used to cut plastics such as PVC, ABS and even 3D printed parts. The cut is so clean, there are no burrs that need to be filed away after cutting, so it's quick and so easy. The flush cut grip zone on the blade gives you a guide for where to apply slight downward pressure to keep the blade flat whilst flush cutting. This, combined with almost no set, allows you to flush cut without leaving a mark on the surface. This saw really does punch above its weight. The design and shape of the blade means this saw is great for cutting in awkward places. The saw will cut with or against the grain at any angle and in tight spaces. The other unique features of this handsaw include an ergonomic new handle design that has a super comfortable soft touch grip and built-in finger guard. There is a deliberate thumb groove on the top of the handle to allow for maximum control and accuracy whilst cutting. There is a blade quick release button on the handle, meaning you can replace the blades of this saw when required easily and quickly with much less waste for the environment. Replacement blades are available to buy separately. The ultra-fine thin blade is ideal for extra fine controlled cuts, such as cutting hardwood, dovetailing, furniture restoration and other intricate and fine woodworking applications. The Roamwild Multi-Pullsaw, the ultimate fine cut finishing handsaw.